The boat launch. Come around here, well paved. You got your access to Big Lake. I will say this, and I hate to have to even mention this, but it's a lot of lakes are at low water levels. It's good that the boat launch is kind of right in the middle of the lake. You don't have to worry about it being so low that it's inaccessible. I've seen some lakes where the boat launch is right on the edge of it, and if they've got low water levels, it can't even use it because it's dry right there. So smart design, whether it was intentional or not. Put your boat ramp right in the middle of the lake. This section should theoretically always have high enough water levels to support boat launch. So look at that view of Mount Washington from the boat launch. This is pretty epic. Look at this. So here's your boat launch, and here's your diminished water levels, as I was referring to, but not affecting the ability to do a boat launch. This is epic. Look at that sun. Today is October 20th, 2023. It's shoulder season. It is closed technically, and this is like the last week. It's actually scheduled to snow next week. So this is it for the year, my friend. Last look at a Big Lake for 2023.